Hey my Tiffany J Inspired friends, welcome back and Happy New Year. This is my first video for 2019 and I'm so excited to show you my Dollar Tree Valentine's Shop With Me video. Valentine's Day is around the corner and I wanted to show you all the great finds that I found at my local Dollar Tree for just $1. To all of my moms, teachers, and friends who are making little favorite bags for Valentine's Day, I suggest that you go to your local Dollar Tree. They have so many different cute styles to choose from. I was absolutely floored when I saw these cute little love notebooks. Most of them are filled with quotes and others you can customize with your little love story that you have with your loved one or your friends, and they are actually really cute gifts to give out. So let's talk about these amazing cards that they have at Dollar Tree this year. I know they are not going to last long. I've seen these at other stores for $5.99 and $6.99 a piece, and they are at your local Dollar Tree right now for $1. I need you all to go there right now. It is not too early to shop for Valentine's Day, and I want you all to get a good selection before they are all sold out, because I'm pretty sure in the next few weeks they will be. If you saw my previous Christmas mailbox DIY, then this will be super cute for Valentine's Day for you and your little kiddos or loved ones to write little love notes to each other. few to add to my linen closet. And I know I showed you the cards before, but I could not forget to show you the Hallmark cards that they have. Hallmark announced last year that they have collabed with Dollar Tree, and they have so many different styles for $2 for $1, or you can get the expression Hallmark cards that are $1 each. And you definitely cannot forget the kids' Valentine's Day cards for your students or classmates of your children. And for $1, they can actually pick out a few different kinds. So I saw a similar decor piece like this at another store, and it definitely was not $1. So make sure you go to Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all next time.